Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope your trading is going well, because there is nothing in the crypto world right now. The crypto market is sideways and unpredictable what is going to happen or not. But I am here with my analysis today, and let's see what happens. I hope you already know that I am pretty bearish on Bitcoin right now, and after this incessant pump to the upside, I am expecting a dump or maybe a sideways market for a couple of weeks, because this is a weekly time frame right here, and I'll start my analysis with the weekly time frame only. So zooming in the chart, the image that you saw in the thumbnail is this right here. As you can clearly see, this is a major resistance right here. The Bitcoin price rejected it, then it did a breakout, and I will say not with a huge volume. And now we can clearly see this one candle, this I would say last week's candle, did a retest, and the buyers showed their interest very well. But what is happening right now is that this week's candle, so just a few hours remain before this weekly candle close, and we can clearly see this is right now forming a long leg doji or a dragonfly doji. The doji only indicates neutral in the market, that the buyer and seller both are neutral. So it's not a confirmation that okay, now sellers will enter the market and the price will fall down. Anything can happen. So I was just showing you a confirmation right here only, that's it, nothing else. Switching to the daily time frame of Bitcoin, I can clearly see that right now it is sideways market only, and on weekly it is forming a long leg doji like this, which symbolizes neutral in the market. But on the daily time frame it is consolidating a bit. What I think of this is that after this huge pump, this much of consolidation is nothing, and either this consolidation lasts a few weeks and till next year, or the price can dump from here. A slight dump can also be there too, because I don't think that the price will now go to $20,000 again, but a slight dump to the downside is what I think can happen to the Bitcoin's price. Just a quick short analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, technically not Ethereum, but only Bitcoin, because the market is sideways and nothing to show right now. And yeah, this is it. But this is the right time to create an account on Bybit to get ready for trading. So if you are interested, the link is in the description and in the top comment, pinned it. Create an account on Bybit for free. You can get up to $30,000 deposit gift. See you guys next time.